going to show you the Rock Brothers bike lock. This is a pretty solid bike lock. It comes with 2 keys and it comes with a little kit with screws and a little Allen key for locking it right onto your bike. Let me get it out of the package and I'll show you how those work. So these are lined with rubber, so they're not going to slide around on your bike. So you could lock this onto your bike frame or your e-bike frame, and it would keep your lock ready for you to use. And comes up, and then you just loop it through, lock it onto your bike frame, and there you go. The other thing it has is a rubber strap that goes around the case, and the case is a nice solid, it's plastic, but it's you can feel that it's substantial. The bike lock itself is fairly heavy. I'd say it's probably a pound. I might be off on that, but it's pretty heavy, and this is how big it is compared to my head. And it locks and unlocks. Let's lock it up, and now it's locked. So not too hard to do, and these appear to be, yeah, plastic covered steel, so it's going to be hard. Like, somebody would have to work really hard to take this off your bike. They'd need a pretty substantial saw, and they'd have to have thieving equipment right with them. Of course, this is going to be a great lock for my new e-bike, and I hope you enjoyed this review.